organise our Bhushan motivational seminars for school, college, university, private and government organisations, political parties, corporates, TV channels. Services offered: 1. Personal motivation. 2. School, colleges and corporate motivation. 3. Seminar on Bhagavad Gita, how to get success. 4. The greatest legend Acharya Chanakya, how to achieve your goals. 5. Sundarkan se safalta ka dwar 6. The doctrine of Gautam Buddha's super formula for success, happiness and prosperity. 7. The power words of Swami Vivekananda and the Eternal Bharat book now.
अगर मेरा चैनल आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करना ना भूले। धन्यवाद।